Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today, are you ready for Korean fried chicken? So today I'm gonna show you how to make 매운 간장 chicken. So in English, spicy soy garlic fried chicken. It is so delicious. So let's get started. First, we need to marinate our chicken. You will need 4 pounds of bone-in, skin-on whole chicken cut into 12 to 14 pieces. I showed you how to cut up the chicken into 12 to 14 pieces on my traditional Korean fried chicken recipe right here. So check it out. Into the chicken, add a quarter cup of rice wine or soju or vodka or white wine. If you don't want to consume alcohol, just go ahead and add water. Then grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix well and let it marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Now let's make the batter for Korean fried chicken. So if you're lucky to able to go Korean grocery store nearby you or from online, you can find this chicken powder. It doesn't mean the chicken powder to make chicken stock. It's actually Korean fried chicken mix powder that made for Korean fried chicken. It is super crispy. And this is the brand that I really like. Because they developed their own style of flour, it's really hard to duplicate it. But who am I? Say my name. Seonkyoung longest. She made it for you. In a mixing bowl, go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of cornstarch or potato starch, 2 tablespoons of salt. I know it sounds a lot of salt, but fried chicken got to be perfectly seasoned and savory, so this is perfect. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes or cayenne, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Lastly, half teaspoon of grounded nutmeg. I know, it's a little strange. I know. Trust me. Perfect. This is perfect. Whisk all these dried ingredients together, and this is Korean fried chicken mix homemade. In a larger mixing bowl, go ahead and add 1.25 cup of Korean fried chicken mix powder and 1 cup of cold water. Mix until it's nice and smooth batter. In another large mixing bowl, go ahead and add 1 to 2 cups of Korean fried chicken mix powder. Preheat your frying oil 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip the marinated chicken into the batter and coat it evenly. Then dust with the fried chicken mix powder all around. Shake the excess off and then carefully place into the preheated frying oil. I'm going to fry half of the chicken first because I do not want to drop the temperature down too much of the oil, and I don't want to crowd the pot too much. Otherwise, it will boil the chicken instead of fry the chicken. Fry the chicken 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. Go ahead and remove it from the oil and place on a baking dish that lined with cooling rack. Repeat with another batch. All of my chickens are done first frying. Korean fried chickens are known for double fry. So we are definitely going to double fry. So increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees. And then carefully place all of the fried chicken into the hot oil. Stir the chicken in the oil so they will evenly crisp it up. Remove the double fried chicken from the hot oil and place it back to the cooling rack. All right, the chickens are done. So let's go ahead and make this delicious, addictive, spicy soy garlic sauce. It takes no time, that's why I'm making it after chicken is done frying. So in a small saucepan, go ahead and add a quarter cup of soy sauce, half cup of mirin, seasoned rice wine, quarter cup of sugar, 5 cloves of garlic that finely chopped, 2 to 4 tablespoons of Thai chili flakes. Bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Then keep boiling for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove it from the heat. The sauce is ready. All right, chicken's done, sauce done. Time to let them marry. Garnish this spicy soy garlic fried chicken with some sesame seeds and some green onions. I know this is a white shredded thingy. This is a green onion. It's super easy. You just cut the green onion really nice and thin, place in the ice water. They will curl it up and just do that and dry off a little bit and put it on right on top. But you can just do regular chopped green onion too. I thought you were checking my mic.
I did. I left my headphones on. If you noticed before, one of our old videos, sound was messed up. So she makes me wear these around all the time now.
Never take it off. Never. Okay, let's try.
I like chicken.
Everybody like chicken.
Everybody likes chicken. I like chicken. Was it good?
Mmm. Mmm.
I need like
It's pretty spicy.
I need a plate.
Yeah, me too. I'm spilling everywhere.
Because I'm gonna make a mess. Mmm.
Mmm.
That's my favorite sauce out of all Korean fried chicken.
Really?
Yeah, we really do need like plates or something.
You really do need to take your headphone off.
Huh?
You really do need to take your
What?
headphone off.
I already made such a mess.
매워. 은근히 맵네.
Spicy soy garlic.
Mmm.
You guys have pushed me off the edge again. Just saying.
Let's call it a beer. Without the sauce, already super delicious and crispy. But with the sauce, the sweet, savory, spicy. So wow.
Elevates it. Whole nother ball.
Alright, if you like my spicy soy garlic fried chicken recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
I'm Jacob Longus.
Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys!
Bye.
Mwah. 진짜 맛있어.
I really do like fried chicken.
I like chicken. I like chicken. Yum yum chicken. Fried chicken.